restaurant, you need to alcoholize your hand. And then write your name here. Ganyan, tapos they will get my temperature. Temperature check.
35.6.
35.6. Tapos kailangan niya ilista dito. Tapos kapag okay ng lahat, pwede na kayo magpasok. If you want to order online, they have Food Panda and they have Grab. And if you want to order their food, so let's get inside. Let's go inside. Come, 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 come. Come, 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 come. So we're waiting for our order. What did you order? You ordered the crispy sisig. So yes. So I ordered the cucumber juice. Sarap pa rin talaga. Shannon, you try this one. Cucumber juice. Is it yummy? Yes. You try it one more time. Yummy? Wag na mo. Slowly. Giagaw niya na kasi yummy. So, same favorite na tayo. Wow. Okay, go. Yummy? Yeah, slowly. Is it yummy? Yes. Slowly. Shannon's new favorite, cucumber juice. It's healthy. Yes.
Have ice.
Yes. How many eyes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 eyes?
Yes.
Wow. You counted?
Mine so wet now.
You're so wet now?
Yes, it's so wet.
Because you need to drink slowly. Slowly only. What a vlogger. So this is their menu. Yun yung mga prizes nila. So this is my favorite, the crispy sisig. And the best seller that they have is the sisig Pampanga. Diba, mura lang, 199 lang, pero busog ka na yan. Ito meron ting tag 89. So they are following the protocols like wear your mask if you're not eating. I'm eating the cropek, that's why I don't have mask. And then they have yung cellophane, parang shield for protection also sa virus. Tapos, konti lang yung makaupo sa isang table. Tapos, before ka magpasok sa establishments nila, establishments, marami. Sa establishment nila, dapat mag-alcohol, mag-fill up ka ng form for contact tracing. And then, they will barrel you with a temperature like that.
Of course, with cash.
And then, you need to have cash so that you can eat here. So, here's our order now. So, they are using disposable spoon and fork, disposable plate. Less yung pugasan. So, we order french fries for Shannon, the crispy sisig, the teriyaki chicken, the sisig Pampanga, which is their best seller, with egg. So, plus, mama ordered lumpia and ikyang crispy sisig also. Shannon, come here. Let's eat now. So, we're going to eat our dinner. So, come and let's eat now. You want to eat now? Yes? What are you doing? Oh no! Oh no! Don't do that! No! let's eat now. Yummy. So let's open it. Yummy talaga. Naang?
Pangga.
Pampanga?
Kasi yung egg, ano kasi, fried. Saka, tapos lang flatter ng sisig dahil sa using disposable.
One, my.
Yes, because they're
Yes,
using
Alberto.
disposable.
Mine is that one.
Okay, I will give you.
That one.
Mm. Topic only? Crispy sisig is the best. Sarap ko naman.
Ito talaga mag-top.
Pampanga. They have food. They have food panda also for your online orders. They cater food panda. Ano pa ba yun? Grab? No. They order Grab. Ano pa ba? Cinderella. Basta if you want to order online, you can you can order anything that you want. Pork ba yan? Dami manulong ka sa suka. Hindi lang mo ito mahalap yung suka.
What's one?
Ano? Before, kapag nagapunta kami dito, super maraming tao, punuan always, ganyan. So, since pandemic, may COVID, less lang yung tao na nagpupunta. Kasi nga, may COVID. Eat first so that I will put there the french fries.
Eat first. So that mommy will put the...
Happy na ako, nakatatlong suko ka na.
Ayun mo siya. Sarapan mo siya.
Ganun.
Kaya hindi na napansin na ang gusto ko.
Ilang french fries ba? Harap. Ang french fries nila parang Jollibee french fries. Masarap pa. Masarap sa Jollibee. Sobrang malasa yung french fries. Adrian, saan ito french fries? Saan mo tagbibili? Magbili kami ng french fries. Pero yung kanilang mga sauce dito, hindi lang yung basa-basa na sauce like Maggi Savoir. Hindi siya yung basa-basa na toyo lang. Ganon. Like yung ingredients, hindi tinipid. Hindi siya tipid. I want to try their chicken. Kaso, allergy tayo. So, say no to chicken. In-order namin dito. Everything is worth it. Every bite is worth it. Sabi ko, mag-diet na tayo ngayong araw, di ba? So, bukas na naman. Bukas na naman tayo mag-diet. Kahapon, nagluto si JM ng pork spare ribs. Sobrang sarap na parami yung kanin namin. Sabi namin mag-diet na kami. Pero ito na ngayon. Diet ba ito? It's not diet. This is what you call overfeeding. Unli diet, unli eat. Can't say no sa mga ganitong pagkain kasi sobrang sarap talaga. Diba? What can you say to the food that you eat?
Antok na, antok.
Bakit antok ka? Nakakaantok ba?
Busog.
Sobrang busog.
Say hi to the police.
You say hi to the police? What did the police told you? Like that? So, are you happy? So, since ninong siya na ang may-ari, may ice cream sa Shana. Shana, did you say thank you? Not to him. Where's your ninong? Are you the owner? Why are you there? Since your ninong is here, your ninong give you ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yes.
Has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good.